Honda has just unveiled the 2027 CRF450R HRC Works Edition, and this might be the most significant update we've seen to Honda's flagship motocross bike in years. But is it really a game changer, or just another yearly refresh with a few new parts? Let's take a closer look. The biggest story for 2027 is the all-new engine. Honda redesigned the 450 cubic centimeters Unicam power plant with larger intake and exhaust valves, a shorter intake port, and a new dual-spray fuel injector system. The goal wasn't simply to increase peak horsepower. Instead, Honda focused on delivering stronger mid-range performance, improved throttle response, and better over-rev, giving riders more usable power throughout the entire rev range. And Honda didn't stop with the engine. The CRF450R now features a completely redesigned chassis. The new frame is engineered to improve stability at high speed while maintaining the precise cornering characteristics that riders expect from a Honda motocross machine. Honda also moved the foot pegs slightly rearward to improve rider positioning and increase rear-wheel traction during acceleration. Suspension has also received major attention. The Showa suspension package has been revised front and rear, with updated settings designed to improve comfort, control, and consistency on rough tracks. Honda says the new setup offers better balance and more confidence when pushing hard through braking bumps and hooped-out sections. Now let's talk about what makes the HRC Works Edition special. This isn't just a CRF450R with graphics. The Works Edition receives a hand-ported cylinder head, hand-polished intake ports, a Yoshimura titanium exhaust system, a twin air filter, special ECU settings, premium did dirt star wheels, a gold did chain, and a gripper seat cover. These are the kinds of upgrades many riders add after purchase, but Honda includes them straight from the factory. Technology remains strong as well, with launch control, Honda selectable torque control, multiple engine modes, and a hydraulic clutch all included as standard equipment. Of course, all those upgrades come at a price. The standard CRF450R starts at just over $10,000, while the HRC Works Edition pushes close to $13,000 before destination charges. So, is this the biggest Honda motocross update in years? With a new engine, new chassis, revised suspension, and factory-level HRC performance parts, the answer is probably yes. The 2027 CRF450R HRC Works Edition looks like Honda's strongest effort yet to reclaim the top spot in a highly competitive 450 motocross class. But what do you think? Is this the ultimate CRF450R, or would you still choose a KTM, Yamaha, or Kawasaki? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more motorcycle content.